People in Jackson are having mixed reactions with the city's ongoing garbage collection issues. Some report garbage hasn't been picked up in several neighborhoods. Some we talked to off camera in North Jackson say they're already fed up with Richards Disposal and wish Waste Management was still the city's garbage collection agency. But others say they haven't had any major issues so far.
So far, we haven't had any issues with them picking it up. They were late compared to when they pick up our trash about 6 o'clock, and it was the afternoon when they picked up our trash about 3 o'clock. Just want it picked up.
Our trash company been doing a great job picking up our trash.
Do you have a specific company that you would prefer picks up your trash?
I really don't care. I just want it picked up.
The city says to call the Solid Waste Department if your garbage is not picked up on Friday. On Friday, Special Judge Jess Dickinson will hold a status conference with the mayor, city council, Waste Management, and Richards Disposal to discuss recent court proceedings regarding the garbage collection contract.